Hey guys, it's Valeria from Everyday Valeria Vlogs, and it's me, Valeria, again with another video with my cousin Alex.
Hey.
And today, these are recent slimes that were either made today or
A very long time
yesterday. Or this one was a very long time ago. So, let's get started. So, here's the... We're going to put you guys down. So, I hope you guys can see. The first one is going to start off with the little one. We made this one. Actually, this is trash. Do you want it?
Does it still work?
It does, but like I just made it right now and it's kind of like weird. Is this it or is this glue? I think this is it. Okay, this is the one I made actually this morning. I woke up really early and I just started making slimes because I was bored. It's just pure white, kind of fluffy, kind of not.
Okay, there you go. This is dumb. What's dumb? What's dumb on my leg? Me. What's dumb on my leg? Oh, that's super dumb. It's super tiny. I didn't like tiny ones. I like big ones.
And so yeah, this is this one. And my cousin is going to demonstrate how to play with it.
I can't do it. It's really like, it's cold.
Yeah, because I don't play with it that much. Here, when you're done putting that. So guys, let's move on to the second slime. This one is
blue.
Dark blue.
Yeah. Kind of light. And this one glows in mine glows in the dark. Doesn't look like it.
And it's really stretchy. And I didn't even add any lotion to any of these slimes except the big ones.
Well, can I try it?
Oh, that broke them. So guys, and this has really good poke.
Yeah.
Oh, this has green.
Yeah.
Okay. We're just gonna mix. It has really good poking. It has to be like on the counter though. When you're done putting this. Alex, you gotta shoot these right.
This is so good to play with.
Alex, you really
You know, like when you're bored, when you're going on a road trip, you would always want to bring slime with you.
So next is this one.
Yeah, the pink one.
Next.
Oh, no other colors.
Next.
Whoa, that was so cool.
Is this big fluffy pink one.
Yeah.
Wait. And this super soft and kind of sticky, kind of not though. Oh, you know what we forgot to do?
Oh, that. Oh, yeah, that's true. You know what this is? Yeah. What? What? Estuacer.
¿Es qué?
Estuacer.
What?
Estu. No.
What?
I can't hear you. Okay.
No.
Okay. Why?
Okay.
Why can I not touch it? Because
I said so. And you guys, it's super fluffy and super stretchy. So Alex, when you're, you want to switch it down? Okay, let's just.
Oh my God, that's like the Golden Gate Bridge.
Okay.
That's cool.
Here. I'm gonna dump it in this one. Shut it right. You got it. Shut him right. Here. Yeah, there you go. Next is this one. I actually made this one last night. And this was like a little bit glittery, a little bit green.
Yeah, a little
bit
sticky.
of glitter.
Yeah. It
still has like some baking soda crumbs, and that's what I hate about it.
Is it stretchy? Here, let me hold it.
I got it. But I think I kind of put too much lotion. And yes, I put lotion in this one. This is one of the big ones.
They can't see me. Gosh. This is the tablet.
So this is kind of sticky, Alex.
I have activator in my hand.
When you're done putting it in
Okay,
this.
yeah. Okay, there's none of it.
And it has great poking sounds.
And it doesn't stick? No, it does not. It kind of.
Okay, next is the foam slime. And I have 2 foam slimes today.
3 or no?
2. This one is my favorite foam slime because it's yellow and it's stretchy and it's yellow
And it's foamy.
and it's foam.
Ooh, and it's not. It's kind of stretchy, kind of not.
You have that there.
We should add lotion to this.
It's kind of stretchy.
I feel like it
It's
needs
like a
some,
snake.
I feel like it needs some glue.
You can also do a bracelet.
Hey, what was that, Jojo? Hey, Jojo.
She didn't
Don't
do that
know.
one.
Jojo. Hey, Jojo.
No.
No?
No.
Jojo.
Give it to me. Does your hands have lotion everywhere?
No.
It's kind of like sticky now, so we're just gonna do this. Wait. Because beads are falling out, so we need to put it over here. So guys, we're just adding a little bit of glue mixed with lotion.
Oh, that's what. Torture.
Go see what your brother's doing.
My brother, I'm the oldest boy.
Go with the doorknob and tell him, give me a soda.
Do that, man.
Yeah. You'll be cool if you do that.
Lock it.
Wait, this way?
Okay, there we go. Kind of annoying.
Yeah. I mean,
And guys, this is like one of my favorite slimes. So
this one's next, the blue one.
this one has too much foam. You're just gonna give this to me. Next is this big foam slime. I probably am gonna take this to school. This one's a little sticky, so it takes most of the beads in. But otherwise, it would rip. And it has great poking sounds.
Touch it.
We're gonna add some lotion with glue. Nobody's in here. Don't open it. Shut the lights off. So guys, you're not gonna be able to see. Do it.
Open it.
No. Okay, guys. So yes, they are right there.
Okay. They just farted.
Turn on the TV.
I'm sleeping. Yes, ma'am. What's up?
You're sleeping.
Oh. What's up?
Why were you sleeping?
Because I was tired. You're kidding. I'm not kidding. I was tired.
Okay, that's all glue.
So, yeah.
So guys, it's kind of like
That was kind.
That's so
sticky. Olivia, that's so sticky. See how this looks actually in dark.
Oh really? Then turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights and let's see if it can glow in the dark. Turn off the lights.
It can't.
Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights.
Okay. This is well, we can.
Turn it off.
Do
Turn
it.
it off. Turn it off.
We need someone to spin this.
I'll spin it. Here, give it to me.
Those nice tricks. This is how to turn it on and off.
They don't see anything.
Yeah.
No, because it's a little bit. It's a little bit shining. What? A little bit shiny.
It's no. Just,
Like the other one?
just
Like
no.
that one?
No. No.
No. All this stuff in
No. Look away from me. Annoying. Valeria, do you think she's annoying?
Alex, you play hide and seek?
Huh?
You play hide and seek in a room?
What?
You play hide and seek in a room.
What?
Hide and seek in a room.
Okay, here's the biggest slime.
Okay, guys, so this is the bigger slime.
Can I touch it?
One of our favorite.
We can stretch it.
But, like, we're not going to.
Okay, tomorrow's vlog, I think Valeria's gonna vlog it.
Don't tell them yet.
It's a surprise tomorrow, guys.
Okay, let's put
At 11 in the morning, 11 in the morning to 6 or 5. So it's
Or
gonna be
8.
or 8. So guys, be ready.
So big. It looks like a freaking
Money.
If you look at it, my leg.
Alright guys, so tomorrow, 11 in the morning to what? 6,
6, 8.
8, 7.
So Alex,
Let's go. Ese es tuyo.
What?
Alright.
Wait, no, that's mine.
No, that's. Do you want it? Yeah. It's kind of wet and disgusting.
I can still take it.
Are you sure? Because
Yeah.
it's mainly baking.
Here, give it to me. It's mine.
what's going on there?
Tell her it's mine.
Es de él. Dáselo.
Es mío.
Oh, is it just?
Yo, favor, niña. Es mío. Dámelo.
Favor, niña. Look at this phone.
Alright, guys. I'll pass you to Valeria.
Alex, let's go, Charles. Let's go. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Alright, guys, so I'm watching the game here with my mom. Say hi. Hi. You guys can't see anything, but we're watching the LA Dodgers against Astros game. But yeah. So I'll pass you to Valeria.
Okay, guys, that was. See you guys next time. I'll see you guys next time, and peace.